The blockchains have overwhelmed the money display, and the monetary biological system is packed with isolated, pretty individual, smaller than expected tokens that fundamentally have made the digital currency ecospace very divided, which especially is very huge. Subsequently, the whole usefulness of FTX token depends on making itself really fundamentally remarkable, beating the rationalist crypto scene in an unpretentious manner, with a truly exceptional spotlight on giving energy to digital currencies. FTX has arisen as a clever trade in the cryptographic money fragment, or so they in every practical sense thought. FTX in every practical sense token offers brokers an essentially novel, fundamentally platform that motivates their dedication and offers power-stuffed highlights that are unfathomable in regular digital forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin money, and others. Before we start with FTX token cost expectation, how about we really look at FTX essentially token outline? FTX token, the group, supported by a group of committed experts who sort of are involved with their devotion to specialized mastery on blockchain calculations. FTX token specialists work nonstop. The organogram begins with chief and pioneer Sam Bankman-Fried, trailed by CTO Gary Wang, President Brett Harrison, and Kusina Nader. FTX token, the excellent attributes. FTX token gives a multi-pronged benefit to every one of its financial backers to purchase and by and large sell FTX, thinking of it as a beneficial speculation. Dealers are sure of getting an incentive for their cash exchanging FTX, genuinely more well known as CoinFTT. FTX token offers versatility and speed as well as viewed as dependable and reliable. Counting a uniquely constructed FTX token and cold wallet arrangement, full outside sponsorship of all FTX wallet assets, and associations with industry-driving caretakers, FTX token has a gauge of industry devotees, which is genuinely huge. Reconciliation of stablecoins has given FTX token an edge to give extra liquidity, empowering a quicker and more secure exchanging experience. Different functionalities too, like withdrawal, store, and easy-to-use exchanges essentially are only a portion of the very many elements FTX token comes furnished with, which is very huge. FTX token, the corporate social obligation, which is very critical. The non-benefit arm of FTX kind of symbolic backings guideline and consistent as the standards to be executed in the whole biological system of FTX token, or so they by and large thought. Being a key role player, FTX establishment has teamed up with associations across the world to outfit the sort of capability of moderate innovation, or so they really thought. The administration structure is comprehensive and catch-safe. The main individuals from interpersonal interaction for noble cause incorporate the human association, the fundamentally open simulated intelligence that give well groundwork, and charitableness. The latency that at first played for the FTX token is no commonly more there as the kind of token has in every practical sense acquired client trust, bringing benefit for financial backers as well as brokers, or so they essentially thought. Throughout recent months, the cost of FTX token has shown a huge cost increment. During the last month, the FTX token has enlisted an untouched fundamentally high at $63.08 in an unpretentious manner. Notwithstanding, from that point forward, the FTX cost confronted a sharp dive, and right now, it exchanges around $34. Presently, the cost of FTX token stands at $40.69 with a market cap of $5,627,206,535.41 and a 24-hour exchanging volume of $126,810,407.40 in an unobtrusive manner. The coursing supply of FTX tokens in the market basically is 137,695,377 FTT in a significant manner. Despite the fact that it is a late contestant on the lookout, it in every practical sense has a crypto resource classification amazingly. The cost estimate specialists truly are very hopeful in light of our figure framework. A drawn-out increment fundamentally is normal. The FTX token cost guess for 2026 is $213.22. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 423.75% incredibly, independent of its reception according to specialized examination. The FTX in every practical sense token cost confronted heat till Jan 2022, which truly is genuinely huge, going by cost expectations that bulls might be back. FTX in every practical sense token cost ought to wind up marginally higher, say by 2024, $71.80 at sort of the best. FTX sort of token appears to be exceptionally bullish as it has shown a solid consistency By December 2022 end, the cost ought to effectively swing around $48.84 to $50.69, which will truly be very nearly a 26% increase from the ongoing cost. A ton of FTX token undertakings are moving from idea stage to testing stage, and before the year's over, a kind of good number of ventures would have been finished. Thus, an inside and out bullish value expectation of $52 giving FTX token a kind of good worth. This could help really push the cost to the pinnacle. However, FTX token didn't in every practical sense beat during the by and large last year. The majority of the contenders of FTX token also didn't entrance the brokers, all things considered. Just to be coupled with hopeful evangelists, assuming we essentially consider that FTX fundamentally token cost will generally arrive at the moon by 70% in the year 2021, and furthermore keeping the early elements of FTX token being not difficult to store and mechanical progression of circulated web use for versatility and capacity. This could drive FTX especially token flexibility rate and increment its cost to around $60 toward 2021 in a significant manner's end. FTX fundamentally token value expectation 2023. Regardless of whether finding rivals clears a way for FTX extremely token ventures a piece troublesome, it would cause a misfortune yet just small, dropping to $62.21 on the cost graph, which is very critical. Nonetheless, this stays as a cynical situation, and a few specialists truly don't anticipate this condition for speculation exhortation. FTX token value forecast 2024. Once more expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist and that bulls will ride the crypto market, it is normal that FTX token will lead the crypto diagram with a presentation of cost fixed at $78.46. This essentially is a practically identical development proportion that was anticipated toward the year's end 2021, which shows FTT sort of can possibly support itself in the market of advanced resources. FTX token value expectation 2025. As per our drawn-out forecasts, 2025 could check as the benchmark year, as FTX truly token cost is anticipated to outperform $91.99 definitely. With mass reception, FTX token cost especially is assessed to stretch around $91.99 max by 2025 on the outline. An ascent in cost and interest for the digital money more than ever in the crypto market, turning it an excellent venture. FTX token value forecasts 2026, which is very huge. FTX token most certainly kept its energy on the up and up. Afterward, it has helped the market feeling peculiarity definitely from the start of this current year amazingly. Brokers and financial backers have begun wagering on long haul for FTX by and large symbolic cost development, following it intently, reassuring, expressing that it could leap to about $78.74 toward the finish of 2026. Is it beneficial to put resources into FTX tokens by and large? In view of the FTX token market information, it tends to be explicitly anticipated that it is productive to put resources into FTX tokens for the drawn-out seeing the interest and inborn worth. By long haul, we imply that the FTX cost conjecture for a time of 5+ years. Does FTX exceptionally token really have a future in every practical sense, significant way? FTX token for the most part is developing. Not huge amounts at a time, but rather scaling step by step on the diagram. Given the released force of disseminated web innovation, FTX token